Welcome to Laurel Ridge Community College. To help you prepare for this exciting adventure to come, we're going to show you a few great places around our campuses so you can get familiar before your first day of classes. We'll start at our original campus in Middletown and then show you some great places on our Fauquier campus next. We'll also introduce you to the Luray Page County Center. Clearly, we have lots of places to see, so let's get started. We'll start our tour at the Middletown Campus Welcome Center. This is where our friendly staff can answer questions or assist you with finding your class. Not sure where to go or who to ask? Just stop by the Welcome Center, located in Cornerstone Hall.
I'm here in the Middletown Campus Science and Health Professions building. The 46,870 square foot, two-story building includes multiple science and health professions labs, 4 lecture halls, 2 lecture rooms, and student lounges. It has been open for student use since 2008. You may take some of your health classes and labs here.
Welcome to the Middletown Campus Student Union. Did you know that this is here because our Student Government Association voted to use student fees to cover the cost? This building was created for the students, by the students. How cool is that? Inside the Student Union, you can get a workout in at the Evan Humbert Fitness Center, get involved with student life and engagement, and buy Laurel Ridge gear at the bookstore. We even have classroom spaces here too. At the MC Student Union, we got it all.
Our next stop is on the Fauquier campus. Right now I'm standing in the barn, which is this campus's first building. It's a real barn that we converted into a classroom space, but that's not its only purpose. We also house meetings, events, student life activities, and health and wellness sessions here. Despite its humble beginnings, you'll find state-of-the-art technology in this space too. No matter the day, there's always something going on at the barn. Here we are at Wolk Hall, also known as the hub of the Fauquier campus. We have many student services here, including enrollment services, advising, veteran support, tutoring, a food pantry, and so much more. Along with campus resources, Wolk Hall also offers classroom space and even a library with study rooms. If you need a break from your studies, we host trivia days here and even have designated snack stations, so you will never leave hungry. Speaking of which, I may go grab a snack now before we move on to the next location. Over on our Luray Page County Center, you'll find Jenkins Hall, our one-stop shop. Here you'll find plenty of classrooms, a conference room, a computer lab, a trades lab, and a science lab. Jenkins Hall first opened in September 2021, so you can expect modern spaces and state-of-the-art technology.
Now that was just a few places on our campuses, but once you're here, you have the chance to explore for yourself and find your own favorite places to study, hang out, and have fun. With a growing need for more health, engineering, and trades professionals, our college is responding to those needs with campus expansions, so you'll have even more places to check out soon. Get excited. Your journey at Laurel Ridge Community College has just begun.